Good morning. It's a really great pleasure to welcome all of you to this important consultation workshop on integration and tracking of GESI in Rwanda's NDCs, nationally determined contributions. And what distinguishes this update is emphasis on mainstreaming GESI considerations into all aspects of both climate planning and implementation by creating a clear, evidence-based framework of indicators and decision support tools. Our aim is to catalyze a more responsive and inclusive climate policy landscape, one that leaves no one behind.
We are gathered here to jointly reflect, review the draft GC sectoral indicators and the proposed conceptual framework for the GESI index and simulation tool. Two of the key outputs of this collaborative initiative. Empowering women is the single most important way to ensure effective climate actions and the future. Don't look at them as vulnerable groups. Look at them as agents of change. Youth and women, whether you like it or not, are the agent of change in the families, in the societies, and in the country.
This 2 days training, it has equipped us with relevant knowledge in terms of knowing how we can handle this issue of gender equality and social inclusion, as well as persons with disabilities in the climate action.
Including everyone, let it be a woman, let it be a man, let it be youth and people with disabilities. It's important so that everyone's voice is heard in decision making and also in setting strategies that would help to mitigate the climate change.
Climate impact is not equal to everyone, and particularly like women or youth or people with disabilities. There are specific people that who are affected more than others, and it's very important for the country like Rwanda to include everyone who are affected by climate change. GESI is very important actually to ensure that everyone is included.